All right, we wish to solve this congruence here. One way to think of this is I want to have 17 times x plus some multiple 132 of 132, let's call it y, and that be equal to 1, which is a problem we're used to at this point. So, or if we've thought of it as ax plus b, or well, I guess in this case ny equals 1. So a is 17, b is 132, and it shouldn't be a b, that should be an n. And we'll use our usual trick of writing it in a matrix form. 1, 0, 17, 0, 1, 132. Now we're going to divide 17 into 132. If we do that, we get that 132 is 7 times 17 plus 13. So get a new matrix. So we're going to have the same first row. The second row is going to be minus 7 times the first row. So 1, 0, 17, and when I do that, I end up with minus 7, 1, and 13. So now we want to divide 13 into 17, and that 17 is just 1 times 13 plus 4. So this time row 2 is going to be the same, and row 1 is going to be replaced by row 1 minus row 2, and that is going to give us minus 7, 1, 13. That stays the same, and the other row becomes 8, minus 1, and 4. Now we have to do another division, dividing 4 into 13. So 13 is 3 times 4 plus 1. So we're going to have, let's see, that row stays the same, and this is going to be the old row 2 minus 3 times row 1, 8 minus 1, 4, and this is going to be minus 31, 4, and 1. All right, since 1 goes evenly into 4, we're done here. This shows in particular that the GCD of 17 and 132 is equal to 1. And now, remember, this is our A and N column. So this says that minus 31A plus 4N is equal to 1. Or minus 31 times 17 plus 4 times 132 is equal to 1, which you can check directly. Well, let's take this and now reduce this equation here, mod 132. So I have minus 1/3, sorry there, let's see. I have minus 31 times 17 plus 4 times 132 is congruent to 1 mod 132. 132 is congruent to 0 mod 132. So this is, let me rewrite it just a little bit. 17 times minus 31 is congruent to 1, so that's 0. mod 132. So if we're solving, so x congruent to minus 31 mod 132 is our solution to 17x is congruent to 1 mod 132. If you don't like that negative number here, we can say that x is congruent to minus 1 is congruent to minus 31 mod 132. Let's add in 0 in the form of 132. 132 is congruent to 0 mod 2, and then this is going to be congruent to 101 mod 132. And all right, either one of these solutions that congruent to 101 or 13 to minus 31 or 101 is fine.